Hello, my name is Graham Huguet with My House Design Build Team. We're here in Coquitlam and we've transformed this home for this family and we have lots of features to share with you. Clean, sleek, modern, cost-effective, a very relatable project that we know that you're going to appreciate all the details. From opening up the backyard with lots of windows, transforming the kitchen and the eating space, we look forward to sharing this with you. Come on inside.